ದೇರಳಕಟ್ಟೆಯ ಆವರಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ಪರಿಗಣಿತ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಸ್ಮರಣಾರ್ಥ ನಡೆದ ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತ 2027ರ ಮುನ್ನೋಟ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಹಣಕಾಸು ಸಚಿವೆ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್ ವಿಶೇಷ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಿಕಸಿತ ಭಾರತವಾಗಲು ದೇಶಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರೂ ಕೊಡುಗೆ ನೀಡುವ ಅಗತ್ಯವಿದೆ. 2047ರ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕರಾವಳಿ ಸುಮಾರು 2000 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಹಿಂದೆಯೇ ದೇಶದ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಕೇಂದ್ರವಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕರಿಮೆಣಸು, ಏಲಕ್ಕಿ, ದವಸ ಧಾನ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರ. ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಚೀನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆಯನ್ನ ತಿಳಿದುಕೊಂಡು ಭಾರತವನ್ನ ಬಲಿಷ್ಠವಾಗಿ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. 2047ರ ಹೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಭಾರತ ಆತ್ಮನಿರ್ಭರ ಭಾರತವಾಗಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Today I speak on a theme that is not merely aspirational but civilizational in its scope. Viksit Bharat for 2047 is not a slogan at all, and just for us to juggle our memory a bit, it's not too far away. 2047 is not at all too far away. When we speak of 1947 and say, oh my God, 75-80 years ago we got independence, but when you talk of 2047, it's just 20 years from now. Add one more year if you want. Just 20 years. So we have a huge amount of work to be done with all of us to contribute. So it's not a slogan, it's a national resolve. It is indeed India's tryst with destiny, renewed, reimagined and re-energized. The transformation towards Viksit Bharat 2047 rests on structural reforms, human capital and institutional excellence. Before I speak of India's future, allow me to honor the city's past, because it is from the roots of such places that the tree of Viksit Bharat shall draw its deepest nourishment. There is no place more fitting to discuss the resurgence of India than here in Mangaluru. Mangaluru is not just a port, it's a civilizational bridge from the Gangas of Talakadu and the Kadambas of Vaijayantipura to the mighty Chalukyas of Badami and the Hoysalas of Dwarasamudra. Mangaluru flourished as a crucible of dynasties, a center of refined culture and maritime prowess. Roman merchant ships would anchor off these shores to load their hulls with the most precious commodities known to the ancient world, black pepper, Yavana Priya, the black gold of antiquity, cardamom, cinnamon, turmeric, teak, sandalwood and gems. Roman historian Pliny lamented in his 1st century CE, that is, the centuries that we are living in, that India was draining the Roman treasury every year. Think of that for a moment. 2000 years ago, this coastline was the commercial nerve of the globe. The wealth of this region was so legendary that Greek and Roman merchants would risk their lives to reach these shores faster. Today, as we gather here to reflect upon Viksit Bharat 2047, we are not merely discussing an economy milestone, but we are articulating a civilizational aspiration. India is the oldest continuous civilization on earth. We gave the intellectual contribution that form the bedrock of modern civilization. We were, for most of recorded in history, the world's largest economy. I think we should repeat that sentence and believe in it.
ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಯುಟಿ ಖಾದರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ನೈಜ ಮಾನವತಾವಾದಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ಭಾರತದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ. ಈ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನ ಉಳಿಸಿಕೊಂಡು ಭಾರತದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು.
Regarding Vinay Hegde ji, I did not say anything because Dr. Shantaram said everything, and I am very small in front of him to tell about him also, because he has got different kind of qualities where each one has to learn from him. What I'd like to say is, if you want to know who is a true Indian human being, I can say Dr. Vinay Hegde is a true Indian human being. If you want to explain who is a true Indian, I think you see all his qualities. His education, his knowledge, his way of living, his simplicity, his humanity, and the forethinking. He is a true Indian. That's a personality of a true Indian. Vikasit Bharat is a good subject what you have taken. As we all know, see, development or progress, it is not a marathon. By 1 day, 2 days, 5 years, 10 years, it won't happen. It is a slow and steadily it has to come up. Today, every Indian should be proud of our country. We are much more ahead when you are compared to others. Because when we see other countries like America, maybe France, they are all 300, 400 years they have got the independence. It's their time. They have got in 200, 300 years. And their population also is less. And they have not been invaded so many times by other countries also. But India is not like that. And we are 140 crores of people. People live in tribes area, hill station, between the water, outside the ice. All this is there. And again, it is only 70 years or 75 years of independence what you have just got. Whatever the guidelines and suggestions we get for the better society, and we have to go together. And the biggest strength of India is the unity in diversity, and a united India will always flourish. That should be our main aim. I think so. Every good citizen become good citizen also. One of the best force we can give to this country. So to a Vikasit Bharat, every Indian is responsible, and every child of this country also is responsible. When he has a good qualities and he becomes a good citizen of India, automatically India will be number one in the world. To become a good citizen or to become a good human being or to become a good personality of our society, we need not go somewhere and search or go to Google, see what it is and do not to research. We have to see Vinay Hegde ji and Santosh Hegde ji. See them, take the qualities where they have got. There should be qualities with us also, and that will make a perfect human beings in the society, which will be strength to India.
ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಸದರಾದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬ್ರಿಜೇಶ್ ಚೌಟ, ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಸಹ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಶಾಂತಾರಾಮ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sri Nitte Vinay Hegde was not someone who could define through positions, institutions or achievements he has achieved. I certainly, and of course you all, remember him through a feeling, through that smile, through the quiet assurance that here was a man who could have had anything but chose instead to build for others. ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರಾಯಶಃ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಬದುಕನ್ನು, ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಜೀವನವನ್ನು ಬದುಕಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ನಾನಂತೂ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಲಾಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದ ವೊಕ್ಯಾಬ್ಯುಲರಿ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ entered our conversations, he had already internalized it as duty. For him, enterprise was never separate from empathy. Industry was never separate from people. That is why his work did not just create employment, it created possibility. Probably that is one of the reasons I call this region, Dakshina Kannada, Mangalore region, as an ocean of possibilities. He was one man who created or who explored that possibility 50 years back. My nation will contribute meaningfully towards the vision of our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji's Vikasit Bharat 2047. Because we owe it to people like Shri Vinay Hegde, who laid foundations strong enough for us to build upon. Ladies and gentlemen, it is therefore deeply fitting that this memorial lecture is being delivered by the Honorable Finance Minister, Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. As India's first full-time Finance Minister, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಪರೂಪದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು, ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಯೋಚನೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಮತ್ತು ಅವರ ಇಡೀ ತಂಡಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಇದು ಕೇವಲ ನಿಟ್ಟೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಕರಾವಳಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ, ತುಳುನಾಡಿನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ವಿನಯ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ ಅವರು ತುಳುನಾಡಿನ ಅಸ್ಮಿತೆಯನ್ನು, ತುಳುನಾಡಿನ ನೆಲದ ಸೊಗಡನ್ನು ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಜೀವಂತಿಕೆಯಿಂದ ಜೀವಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ to invite their people, their friends who have excelled in different walks of life, who are living in different parts of the country and different parts of the world, to come back to Uru and carry forward Dr. Vinay Hegde's mission in spirit. Together, let's make it happen.
The only words I could borrow was those words of immortal bard, that age cannot wither him, nor custom stale. He is an infinite variety. Indeed, Mr. Vinay Hegde was an infinite variety. I had the unique opportunity, it was a God-given gift, that I had known him from school days. He and Justice Hegde were 2 to 3 years senior to us in St. Aloysius School. It was those days, they were our mentors. How they played, how they danced, how they taught, how they behaved, and even befriend ourselves was a true mentorship which we remember with gratitude. Both of them remain to be our role models, and their humility and friendship is ever known to us. Born as the second son of Justice K. Hegde and Madam Meenakshi Hegde, the governance and the justice aspect of Mr. Vinay Hegde, he got it from his father. But every time he used to remember his mother, that whatever he was today, it was because of his mother. Because it was she who enthused him in every act of life. He firmly believed in Matru Deva Bhava, Acharya Deva Bhava, Atiti Deva Bhava, and he added on to it Rashtra Deva Bhava, and he believed in Vasudeva Vaikuntham. The whole world was one with him.
When it would have marked his 50 years of professional journey, but as we all know, the divine has its own plans. 3 days short of his 50th journey as an entrepreneur, he was no more with us. His journey was extraordinary, establishing multiple companies, building 3 campuses, and creating opportunities through a wide range of academic programs. It is through NITTE that his vision found its most enduring and far-reaching expression. What began as a single institution way back has today grown into a vibrant educational ecosystem comprising of 30 institutions offering academic programs in a wide range of subjects, nurturing thousands of students every year across our 3 campuses.
Vinay Hegde and myself have been very close to each other, not only in our relationship, but also in our school days. We were together right up to the degree days and all. And I'm really proud of him, the way he has built his life and built the institution which he represented for all these years until he passed away recently, beginning of this year. I am also very happy for the topic of the day, Viksit Bharat Vision for 2047. I have heard of 5-year plans and all, but here is a plan which is for multiple decades. And I think is one of the most important actions that should be taken for the development of the country.
On this significant occasion, as we commemorate the birth anniversary of NITTE Vinay Hegde, a visionary educationist, philanthropist, and the founding force behind NITTE Education Trust. Over several decades, NITTE Vinay Hegde, a social entrepreneur, played a transformative role in building a network of premier educational institutions, healthcare institutions, and industry along coastal part of Karnataka, particularly in Mangaluru and surrounding regions, thereby contributing immensely in his own capacity towards nation building.
ಇನ್ನು ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಶ್ರಾಂತ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸಂತೋಷ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ, ಕುಲಪತಿ ವಿಶಾಲ್ ಹೆಗ್ಡೆ, ಉಪಕುಲಪತಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಎಂಎಸ್ ಮೂಡಿತ್ತಾಯ, ಶಾಸಕರಾದ ವೇದವ್ಯಾಸ ಕಾಮತ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.